Alright, so today we're going to be going over the VaporWorks ZL1 fuel pump install. I actually got the fuel pump out today, and we're going to go over these instructions. Go ahead and take that and install that on in there so you guys can see that. These are the instructions that come with the kit. The link will be below. I already pulled this. Just take a needle nose, kind of just pull it out. I'm gonna show you the pump kind of on this instructions here. Just take that, slide that out, that piece comes out, and then there's like a little circle ground piece there. It just comes right off of there, okay? And this is gonna be the piece we're gonna be putting in. So come on over here where we have it all set up. This is a 2013 ZL1 fuel pump. It's got 6,000 miles on there. Excuse the dishes. Say it. Here is what we just took out. See the channel locks there. I didn't know it was gas in there, so definitely want to make sure you have a window open. But here we go. So this piece that comes with the kit, there is okay, so that piece is gonna go into there, but I'm gonna put this piece in there first. So hold on here. Alright, so I'm just gonna take the lever, lift it up like so. You want that lever lift up, and they say you want to put a little oil on this. That's what the instructions are. So we're gonna get a little oil here. Hold on one second, be right back. Mobile One, baby, we back. So I had to go get some oil, so that way we could get this going on. You want to take a little bit of dab of oil, put it around here, before you slide it in. So that's what we're about to do. So hold on. So we got that piece in. I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back together so y'all can see. The old piece. So right here. That was the old piece. Didn't have that little elbow extension on there, so that's something that I'll get used to. But alright, on to the next one. Alright, here in the G8, actually about to install the ZL1 fuel pump. Okay, got my adapter on here, got my filter on there. Okay, got my gasket, rubber green. Set that right there. So on this ring around here, just want to get a hammer and a flathead, start tapping it like so. So get a hammer and tap it till it spins loose. Mine's already spin loose, so I grab the camera. Got to still wire up the new setup. So right now what I'm about to do is pull this on out. Almost there. Oh, come on, baby. The edges are really sharp, so I'm trying to make sure I don't cut myself in the process. Be safe, y'all. Looking at. Okay. Let's see how this is gonna go. Oh, it's gonna be moved, so hold on. Let me set the camera up so I could actually get this out so you guys can see. All right, there you have it. Pumps in. Just gotta use that black top to tighten it down. There's the old pump there. It was a lot of gas that came out. That's why I got a towel there. So just keep in mind that. I opened the garage and, make sure you want to get, at least some type of ventilation. You want to be breathing this stuff in long. So that's pretty much how you do the ZL1 fuel pump. I'm going to cut the wires here. There's 4 wires on this. Come on, focused. And we got the new wire harness right here. So just going to probably splice, solder these, and maybe some crimps or something, but here are some of the instructions. And all this comes with the kit, guys. I mean, this was probably the best write-up from VaporWorks that I got. I'm actually going to do a review on this because every single thing that I needed to get done was all in the instructions. So kudos to them, making sure everything's right. There's that ZL1 adapter I had to put on the ZL1 pump. It was black, if you saw it earlier in the video. But that's about it. I mean, once I wired up, be ready for the ZL1 setup. So thanks everyone for tuning in. This is a VaporWorks ZL1 G8 install. So we got the pump in, got everything ready to go. Stay tuned.